Hello. Good evening, guys. Another recipe, guys. Meatball, guys. Um, Made by Wasanta from Sri Lanka. Very nice, guys. Ito po yung mga sahog niya, guys. Carrots, yung sili na atsal, tapos mushroom, and then krima. Yeah, Dora. Yung Dora, guys, corn yan. Corn. Can, yung nasa lata. Oh, ready ready to cook. Yes. Yun lang po yun, guys. Ginisa mo na yung sibuyas. Nilagay,
Share, comment.
yes, nilagay ang mushroom, carrots, and sili na atsal,
Yalla.
Dora.
Albasam
Tapos,
restaurant.
dimix na po yung meatball. Yeah, ang sarap, guys. So yummy. See you next video, guys. See you next video. Please watch and share, likes, and support my YouTube channel, Valerisa Vivski channel. Guys, please support and hit likes, share, hi, comment. Nice comment, guys. Ang sarap, guys. So yummy. So yummy in our tummy. Yeah. Wasan? This one? How many minutes to put inside the oven? 20 minutes? Yeah, okay. Put in the oven a little time. Only 20 minutes. This, guys? Ito na, guys. Ready to put inside the oven. Bye-bye, guys. See you in my next video. Bye-bye. Thank you. Bye-bye.